Hey guys, this is Miss Sarah back again. Thank you for the keep feedback. I really appreciate that. And trust me, it matters a lot to me. Thank you very much. So today I'm combining 7-5 and 7-6. So apart from 7-5 and other one from 7-6. So these two sections are actually about solving exponential functions. Equations or functions, either ways. All right. So let's start off with the main idea or the key. So basically the idea is if you start off with exponential equation, you just have to switch it to log equation and that's how we solve. And same thing works for log equation. If you start off with log, you just have to switch it to exponential and we solve. So let me show you a few examples on this. Okay, so here comes the first example. Again, you really have to understand how to switch back and forth. So you can go back, refer back to your notes. I remember doing it in second section, so make sure you go back to that and refer to that. So here's my first example. I have 16 to the 3x and it's equal to 8. This is exponential. So in order to solve, first step, you need to isolate the exponential part. When I say exponential part, I'm talking about the piece that has this exponent on it. So it's just 16 to 3x. So it's already by itself. There's nothing getting multiplied, nothing added to the whole thing. So it means I could just switch right away. I hope you remember. In order to switch, so we're switching to log, so it means that would be log. You need to bring down the base, which is 16, and swap. So this becomes 8 and this is equal to 3x. Okay, this is where you need to use your calculator. So log 8 to a base of 16. So I hope you remember you got to use this key with two boxes. So log 16 base 8. This is equal to 3/4. So 3/4 and it's equal to 3x. Almost there. Now we need to solve for x. So pretty much I would divide by 3 or you can just cross multiply whichever way. So I would just cross multiply. So this becomes 3. This becomes 12x. And at the end, I'll just solve for x. So divide by 12 and my answer is 1/4. Here you go. So this is my first example. Again, idea is if you know how to switch exponential to log, that's all we do to solve. Okay, so here comes my next example. So let's look at this. I have 3 times 2x minus 1 plus 4, and it's equal to 10. All right, let's just follow those steps. First step, you need to isolate the exponential part. So when I say exponential, I'm talking about this piece, the part that has this exponent on. So I would subtract 5 first. This becomes 2x minus 1 equals to 5. I still see 3 getting multiplied, so I would divide by 3. This becomes 5/3. Now, almost there. Time to switch this expression to log. So I hope you remember. All right, first thing you have to have log, bring down the base, and swap. This is 5/3, and it's equal to x minus 1. So now this is where you need to use your calculator. So back to log with two keys, two boxes in it. So it's 2. This becomes 5 divided by 3, and I have 0.73. So this would be 0.73. It's equal to x minus 1. At the end, I would add 1. So my answer is, here you go. All right. So let's say you want to practice one on your textbook. You could try one. It's got it 3. You can go to page number 543. You can try got it 3, A and B. So for A, I'm just going to give you the answers right away. So A answer is 1.21 and B answer, A is 0.85 and the answer for B is 1.21. So you can try those ones, all right? Okay, this is what we needed to know from 7-5. So let's go to 7-6. 6. I just have one example from that section. And almost there. So that section still talks about exponential function, but now it's base E exponential functions. So let me start off with my first example on base E function. So let's say I have 4e to 2x plus 2, and it's equal to 16. All right, so same idea. You need to isolate the part that has exponent on it. So I would take away 2. This becomes 14. All right, divide by 4. 14 divided by 2 is 7 over 2, or I'm just going to say 3.5. So either ways. Okay, now time to switch. I hope you remember, if it's base E, we switch it to natural log, which is ln. So ln, swap 3.5, and it's equal to 2x. So type it in your calculator. So it's ln 3.5. I have 1.25. It's equal to 2x at the end. Divide by 2. And my answer is 0.626. Here you go. So I'm done with my lesson. If you want to try any got it problem, you can go to page number 556. So it's got it 3. You can try A, B, and C. For part A, answer is 4.48. For B, it's negative 2.3. And for C, answer is 0.77. All right. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. All right. Bye, guys.